Mind Future Health channel. Here, we share knowledge about health, nutrition, and disease prevention. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Now, let's dive into the main content of the video. Eating well isn't just about avoiding bad foods. It's about giving your body the good foods it needs to keep your heart strong and healthy. Some foods can really help lower the chances of heart problems and make you feel better overall. Vegetables, full of nutrients and healthy fats, are important for keeping your heart in great shape. Interested in improving heart health through your diet? Let's explore 13 heart-healthy foods that you can include in your daily meals to support cardiovascular well-being and overall health. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood for heart health. A medium avocado contains about 29 grams of healthy fats and 322 calories. What makes avocado great for your heart is its high oleic acid content, a healthy fat known for reducing inflammation linked to chronic diseases like heart disease. Avocados are also rich in fiber, with one fruit providing 13.5 tritiums, which aids digestion and lowers cholesterol levels. They're packed with lutein, an antioxidant for eye health, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Studies show eating one avocado a day can significantly lower bad LDL cholesterol. Enjoy avocados in salads, smoothies, or on whole grain toast for a heart-healthy boost. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a great protein choice, especially for vegetarians. A 50-gram hard-boiled egg has 5.3 grams of fat, including 1.6 grams of saturated fat and just 78 calories. New research challenges the idea that eggs raise cholesterol. Studies found eating up to one egg daily might even lower heart disease risk. They're packed with high-quality protein, important for muscle upkeep. Eggs also provide vitamins B6 and B12, which help lower heart-harming homocysteine levels. Plus, they're one of the rare foods with vitamin D, important for overall health and heart wellness. Enjoy eggs for breakfast, add them to salads, or whip up a nutritious omelet. It's an easy way to boost heart health. Number 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. 2 tablespoons contain nearly 9 grams of fat and 5.6 grams of fiber. They're rich in lignans, which are plant compounds with estrogen-like and antioxidant properties. Eating plenty of lignans has been linked to lower heart disease risk. Flax seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. They're also a good source of plant-based protein, perfect for vegetarian or vegan diets. For best results, use ground flax seeds. They can be added to smoothies, sprinkled on yogurt, or mixed into baked goods for a heart-healthy boost. Number 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, though small, are incredibly nutritious. 1 ounce has 8.71 grams of fat, mostly omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are important for heart health because they reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, and decrease the risk of irregular heartbeats. Studies found that chia seed flour can lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Chia seeds are also high in fiber, with 11 grams per ounce, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps your digestion healthy. They are a good source of protein, iron, and calcium, making them a great addition to your diet. You can sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, add them to smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking for a heart-healthy boost. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, barley, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and pasta are very healthy. They give you energy that lasts and help control blood sugar. Whole grains are also full of fiber, which can lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. They contain B vitamins that are good for energy and heart health. Adding different whole grains to your meals is a great way to stay healthy. For example, oatmeal is a great breakfast choice. Quinoa can be used in salads, soups, or as a side dish. Barley is perfect for soups and stews. Choose whole grains whenever you can to keep your heart healthy. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Craving something sweet? Dark chocolate is good for your heart. Just 1 ounce has healthy fats, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It can help blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce heart disease risk. People who eat dark chocolate 5 or more times a week have a lower risk of heart disease. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and enjoy it in moderation. A small piece after a meal is a tasty way to care for your heart. Number 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are great for your heart and brain. They have omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease heart disease risk. The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fatty fish per week. People who eat fatty fish often have fewer heart attacks and strokes. Avoid fish high in mercury like shark and swordfish, and eat about 12 ounces of fish and shellfish per week. Choose sustainably sourced fish to protect the oceans. You can add fatty fish to your meals by grilling, baking, or steaming it, and serving it with vegetables for a healthy, balanced meal. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, Brazil nuts, and walnuts are very healthy. They have good fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytosterols. A 5-year study with over 373,000 people found that people who ate nuts regularly were less likely to become overweight. For the best benefits, choose unsalted nuts. Almonds are high in vitamin E, which protects your cells. Brazil nuts are a great source of selenium, important for thyroid and immune health. Walnuts have omega-3 fatty acids that help heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol. Adding a variety of nuts to your diet gives you many nutrients and health benefits. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack, add them to salads, or mix them into your morning oatmeal. Number 9. Tofu. Tofu is a great protein source for vegetarians. Just half a cup of raw, firm tofu has 21 grams of protein, making it a healthy choice for your heart. Tofu is made from soybeans, which are rich in isoflavones. These plant compounds help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. Tofu is also low in saturated fat and has no cholesterol. You can add tofu to stir-fries, salads, soups, or even smoothies for extra protein. Tofu is versatile and can be flavored in many ways to suit your taste. Number 10. Nut and seed butters. Nut and seed butters are tasty and healthy spreads made from nuts and seeds. They have good fats that are great for your heart. To keep calories in check, have no more than 2 teaspoons at a time. Choose butters without added sugars or unhealthy oils. For example, almond butter is rich in vitamin E and magnesium, which help your heart. Peanut butter has protein and healthy fats, but pick natural ones without added sugars. Sunflower seed butter is good for those with nut allergies, and also has vitamin E and magnesium. Enjoy these butters on whole grain toast, as a dip for fruits and vegetables, or in smoothies for a healthy boost. Number 11. Vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them great for heart health. Carotenoids in these veggies act as antioxidants, protecting your cells. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Kale provides vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Spinach is high in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. To get the most benefits, aim to fill half your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables at each meal. Enjoy them raw in salads, or cook them by steaming, roasting, or sautéing with a bit of olive oil for extra flavor and health benefits. Number 11. Vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them great for heart health. Carotenoids in these veggies act as antioxidants, protecting your cells. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Kale provides vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Spinach is high in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. To get the most benefits, aim to fill half your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables at each meal. Enjoy them raw in salads, or cook them by steaming, roasting, or sautéing with a bit of olive oil for extra flavor and health benefits.